Right, so here's a lathe all set up. Pretty cool little thing, you know. All you do is put a drill here, a powered drill, get a bit of wood, put it between the two spindle, the tail stock and that bit. Got a tool rest. It also comes, believe it or not, with a faceplate. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, for wood turning tools, because I can afford proper turning tools, I've had to make my own from old chisels that I bought from a boot fair. Cost me £3 for the lot. I had to grind them down. I've got a grinder. Yeah. I don't know how to do a gouge tool on a grinder, so I'm going to have to make do with this lot. Unless someone wants to donate their turning tools to me, that'd be nice. Yeah. And believe it or not, these really do work. You know. So all you safety police out there, leave me alone. Right, to sharpen them, I've even got my own leather strap. Polish for honing. Oh yeah, I'm all well equipped here, mate, I tell you. Got a nice variety of varnishes and stain. And just recently, French polish. Yep, I'm going into that pretty soon. You know, for a nice finish. Also, I've got on order some friction polish. Now, this is going to sound crazy, but I've learnt this all from people like Izzy Swan, Matthias Wandel, Stephen Ramsey, to name but a few. Great guys. Anyway, that's my lathe, and anyway, I'll show you it working pretty soon. Well, not today, because I'm going to be pretty busy. That's a dog. That's a bench dog. Get it? Never mind. Anyway, see you soon. Bye bye for now.